good morning, guys. This is Mondo Morris coming right back at you again. It's about 7 a.m. Enjoying the sunlight. As you all guys saw, I literally just took these two tractors out. So I picked these tractors up over a place called Okeechobee. So it was about an hour and 15 minutes away from me. There was three tractors. I picked them for $300. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would have saw that. And let me show you guys what I picked up. So first we have this Craftsman. Don't know much about it. I know it's an older one, but it does have a Kawasaki engine. So I don't know how rare this engine is, and it's liquid cooled too. So it's an 18 horsepower V-twin Kawi. It looks like everything's there together. And it looks like, it's a big mower, Let's see this. I don't know. I sent this to a buddy of mine's, Doug. So he's gonna get me some information on this tractor. It is really, really rough. I mean, besides having good tires and the Kawasaki engine in it, I mean, there's a lot of work to be done. And it has no deck. No deck. I think it seems like it's pretty solid. No ignition. It looked like they had... What the heck is this? So they pulled the ignition off. You guys can see here. So that's pretty much it. That's all I know on this one. I did research this engine. This engine is going for $500 to $700 on eBay. So I'm really thinking about just taking this engine out and literally just selling the whole thing. So we'll see. Up next is this Poulan. This Poulan actually does start. Is in really great condition. Has a 17.5 Briggs into it. Like I said, probably needs I know it needs a carburetor cleaner because the guy turned it on, and within 2 minutes, not even like a minute, it literally shut off. Probably less than that. But it is in great condition. So a little TLC, clean the carb, put a new air filter and fuel filter, and change the oil, and we're gonna sell it. Next, the Troy built Pony. So this has a 42-inch deck in great condition. It's just dirty. It's been sitting in the barn for a while. This also brings the 17.5 Briggs into it, which I don't see the difference. One says IC on it, and then the other one says power built. So they're all the same crap. But yeah, this one is in really great condition. I think I have a potential buyer for today for this. So we're gonna find out. But if he doesn't, it doesn't matter. These type of tractors in this great condition, they'll sell real fast. So, but yep, that's the three I got for $300. And like I said, I'm gonna start cleaning them up. Clean them up and post them up as quick as possible. Alright guys, so we're gonna work on this Poulan. We're literally just gonna take out the carburetor. Really simple. Take the cover off. I'm taking these two bolts off. Make sure you pull this off. We got the linkage that's there. Pull that off, and basically we're gonna open it up, make sure all the dirt and everything's out of it. It's gonna be really quick. Phenomena. 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 Alright guys, so you see how fast that is, taking it off. Literally took me, if I had the tools right in front of me, it took me like 30 seconds to take off. So we're gonna remove the bow. And like I said guys, this tractor did turn on when I got there, and literally quickly shut off. how dirty it is. You got some dirt in there. You guys can see. So it's not, I mean, not that bad, but you see a little dirt. Probably the little jet is probably clogged up. Gas doesn't smell bad. And I think that is jammed in there. What's up?
$29.99 at advance. 10% off, so $26.99
That's not bad.
plus taxes.
Yeah.
Not bad? Okay.
That's not bad at all. Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'll order that.
Okay. So that was my brother. He's gonna go pick me up 2 batteries. He's gonna order them online because he had a 10% discount on them. So I get a little discount on them. It's not bad. But you guys see, I've seen Henry go through this problem. So that spring for here is not, it's not doing anything. So I don't know if it's supposed to spring back or, because sometimes I've seen that could be an issue. So the story is with this one, he bought it and barely used it. So that's why actually it does look pretty good. But we're gonna take this off. See that. So I think this is supposed to spring. I'm pretty sure, because I see a lot of build up. But you guys can see this is supposed to spring up. So let's see if we could try to release it here. Ah, there it goes. See now? So you know, guys, I'm gonna let this soak for a little while. All right, guys. So I just grinded this off. You guys can see there. All right. And where's the bowl? Huh? Oh. Oh, he's mowing it?
I know, I see a guy mowing. Older guy.
What? Oh, give him pass by. Hey, I've been always trying to catch him. I see him. I see a couple of guys where I pass by.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't know. You might never know. I just lost the bowl. Clean the bowl up real quick. Put the bolts on. Like I said, guys, this is very, very simple. That's it. The most important thing is really cleaning out these jets. If you don't clean out these jets, carburetor is always going to give you problems. You really could eliminate these. If you ever run into some carbs that only had the cap and the carb's no good, take the cap off, save it, because issues like this, you know. And this is a Nicky carb, really good. won't leak. Alright, let's move you guys this way. So we are gonna install this one first. Don't forget the little spring. And don't forget this. I always forget how to put this stupid crap on. So it goes to the little slot inside here. There you go. Very simple, guys. Very simple. So if you guys don't know, I'm actually trying to start my own little lawnmower repair business here in Florida. So far, not that bad. I got a few people that came in, found me on Facebook and on Google. But I'm gonna be doing a little video on that and how to start your own lawnmower repair business. Because what I've seen a lot is a lot of people don't want to bring their stuff to these big shops, because these big shops, they really don't care about, I can't really say they don't care, but they're more in tune in trying to get commercial guys in, you know. So they try to, so you can get a homeowner that comes in with a blower, handheld blower. You already know, you know, you're probably charging the guy like $35, maybe it needs a carpet cleaning or something silly like that, and they'll push it off to the side. So the blower will sit there for like 2 months before they get around to it, you know. So my tactic is try to service the homeowner instead of the commercial guys. Yeah, you can make a lot of money with commercial guys, but you can make, I feel like you can make more with homeowners, because, you know, you get one commercial guy compared to like 10 homeowners, you know, with their own equipment. So we'll see, you know. All right, guys, so I have that installed. So let's install fuel. All right. There's already fuel in there, but it doesn't smell as great. You know what? This is what we're gonna do. Let's take out that old fuel, because I don't want to keep going through this issue. So we're gonna drain the old fuel. All right, so let's get this going here. Oops. Sorry. That's not good. All right, guys, so I messed up. When I was transporting this, I left it in the back of my truck for a little while, sitting like this. All the oil went into the head. So I literally took the spark plug off, cranked it up, spat all the oil out. So cleaned it up, put the spark plug back on, cleaned the spark plug. I'm gonna tighten it up, and I'm gonna start it up right now. All right, guys. So I put everything back together. Start it up. I'm gonna start it up now. It is smoking, but that's because the exhaust got full of oil. My fault. Wasn't thinking. Yeah, I'm gonna see if it mows and cuts great and all that stuff. So let's get it going. The only thing I know, I need another battery. So I bought that battery. Actually, that's the one I took off the Craftsman, the Project Craftsman I have in the back. So I'm gonna go back to O'Reilly's, get another battery. But let's start this one and let's take it for a ride. Alright guys, so that Poulan literally just took a crap on me. I changed the spark plug. I thought it was the spark plug on it still was running bad, and it got to a point it didn't want to turn back on. So I think the carburetor just, I have no idea. Shaving that little the little solenoid, I don't think that was a good idea. I seen people do it, but you know, it is what it is. But I did order a new carburetor for it, and hopefully that's the problem. If you guys think there's any other problems, let me know, okay? It is on timing. It did start before, no problem. Ever since I cleaned up the carburetor like that, it ran crappy. I thought it was a spark plug. It wasn't a spark plug. So if you guys have any other ideas, shoot me a comment, let me know. But I did, like I said, I already ordered a new carburetor, and I'm gonna be reinstalling it, so we'll see. But thanks for watching the video, guys. Remember, subscribe, like, comment, any type of support, guys. We really appreciate it. Until next time, on the Moors, we out.
Now here you go again. You say you want your freedom.